In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Moosend. By the end, you'll know how to go from a blank idea to a polished page that's ready to capture attention and collect leads, all with Moosend's intuitive tools. First, head into your Moosend account and navigate to landing pages, then select Create New. This brings you to the starting point where you'll define the look and purpose of your page. Think about your goal before you proceed. Is this page meant to gather newsletter signups, promote a webinar, or highlight a limited time offer? A clear goal will guide every design choice you make next. You'll now choose a template or start from scratch. Templates are great if you want a professionally structured layout right away. Browse by style or purpose and use the preview to see how each one flows. If you prefer total control, choose a blank canvas. There's no wrong choice here. Templates save time, while a blank page gives you absolute flexibility. Whichever route you take, you can fully customize it later. With your base selected, it's time to add content using the drag and drop editor. You'll see a panel of elements like headings, text blocks, images, buttons, and forms. Drag an element onto the canvas, drop it where you want it, and then click to edit. Keep your message focused. A strong headline, a short supporting paragraph, and a clear call to action usually perform best. Use columns when you need side-by-side content, and keep spacing generous to make the page easy to read. Toggle the mobile view as you go to ensure everything looks great on smaller screens. Next, customize the design, images, and forms so the page reflects your brand and converts effectively. Set your color palette and fonts for consistency, and adjust backgrounds to create contrast around key sections like your headline and call to action. When adding images, choose high-quality visuals that load quickly. Compress large files and add descriptive alt text to improve accessibility. For buttons, use action-driven text and high-contrast colors so the main action stands out. Forms are the engine of your landing page. Add only the fields you truly need. Fewer fields typically mean higher completion rates. Mark essential fields as required, write clear labels and placeholders, and consider adding a consent or privacy checkbox if you need it. Customize the success message or redirect to a thank you page so visitors know what happens next. Throughout your edits, save frequently and use the preview to spot layout issues before you finalize the design. That's all there is to it. Go to landing pages and create a new one. Choose a template or start from scratch. Add your content with the drag and drop editor, and then fine-tune the design, images, and forms to match your goal.